giving the initial newborn care. So as the baby comes out, so what all the initial care we will be giving, the essential or the immediate or the important care we will be giving at the initial period of time. That is the initial newborn care. So first, as the baby comes out, we have to check the clock, and we have to tell regarding the time. It is 9:40, and we have to inform the mother. First, we have to inform the mother regarding it's a baby boy. Ma'am, it's a baby boy. We have to inform it to the mother. Then afterwards, as baby, we have to keep the baby in the towel. So we have to we are using the 2 towels for drying as well as for wrapping the baby. First step is that first we have to clear the airway of the baby. We have to give the sideline position to the baby so that if there is any mucus or any secretion in the mouth, it will be gone from the mouth of the baby. Then we have to turn the baby. We have to, after turning the baby, we have to do the suctioning. It's a mouth sucker. Then we have to release it in the kidney tray. First we have to do in mouth, then we have to do in nose. Then again from nose we are doing releasing it in the kidney tray. Okay. Afterwards, after clearing the airway, then we have to dry the baby with the first towel. Gently we have to dry it. The baby is full covered with the mucus and secretion, so we have to dry the baby. After drying the baby, we have to keep the baby in the clean towel. Clean towel. We have to wrap the baby so that we can prevent the hypothermia. Within that time, we have to pulsate the umbilical cord At that time, we have to pulsate the umbilical cord. As the pulse will stop within 1 to 2 minutes, we have to clamp the umbilical cord. From umbilicus, it should be 2 cm or a 4 finger below the umbilicus. We have to clamp it. Okay. We have to clamp with artery forceps. We have to clamp another within. It should be 5 cm below. We have to clamp it. Then we have to take the scissor. Between those 2 clamps, in between that, we have to cut the umbilical cord. After cutting the umbilical cord, we have to take the cotton swab to clean the eyes of the baby. If there is any meconium is present, we have to clean from inner canthus to outer canthus, 1 stroke. Then another cotton swab we have to take so that we can clean another eye from inner canthus to outer canthus. This is how we clean the eyes of the baby if there is any meconium present. Then afterwards, we have to take the baby as within half an hour we need to give the breastfeed to the baby. At that time we should be giving the mother. It should be skin to skin contact to prevent the hypothermia, and it can create a bond between the mother as well as baby. Then we are just covering the blanket so that the baby feel warm. In this way, in between this, we can just check the reflexes, the rooting reflex, suckling reflex, and grasping reflex of the baby, as well as we can check the Apgar score, heart rate, respiration, the muscle tone, the flexion is there or not. We can check it. Okay. So after giving the breastfeeding within a half an hour, we will be taking the baby to the warmer. In a warmer, we will be giving the vaccination, which all should be we should give it the birth time. So first vaccine, we will be giving the vitamin K. Giving the vitamin K at the thigh of the baby through IM route. Giving the vitamin K vaccine, then we will be giving the BCG vaccine to the baby. Through intradermally, we will be giving the BCG vaccine. Okay, afterwards giving the vaccine, we will be giving the OPV 0 dose to the baby, and then we will be shifting the baby as well as mother to the another ward. Afterwards, we have to important is that we have to report and record it. So in recording and reporting, we have to write the name of the baby, mother's name, sex of the baby, time of birth. Then we have to take the footprint of the baby. Then we have to take the fingerprint of the mother as well. Then we have to write what all the vaccinations we have given. The OPV vaccine, vitamin K, BCG, we have to mention in the recording. Then afterwards giving vaccination and all, we have to transfer the baby as well as mother to the another one. Before shifting, we have to give the name tag to the baby. In that name tag, we have to write the name of the baby as well as mother's name as well as the time of birth, and as well as we have to write the gender of the baby. After tagging, we have to give the baby to the mother. So these all are the initial newborn care which we will be giving to the baby. We also have to encourage the mother for the breastfeeding, as well as we have, if the mother is a first mother, we have to assist the mother as well for the breastfeeding.